Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up on DraftKings. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for DraftKings. Over here, we need to click on this first link over here. Now we can see this option for signing up here. So let's tap on that. Now we need to enter our email address, enter the username. Here we need to create a new username and we need to create new password as well. Now choose your country and enter your phone number. And for the phone number verification, simply click on this send me a text to confirm my number. And if you have the promo code, simply click on this promo code and add it here. Now we need to agree to the terms and conditions as well. Once you are done with all of the information required, simply click on create account. Afterwards, we need to add the further details, which may be personal details, contact information and address details as well. Once you are done with all of the information, simply click on create account. Afterwards, your account will be created and the signing up process will be completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.